bottom.
Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're going to go ahead and show you how to install the steps. I'm using a little bit of crazy glue on the top part of the step and a tiny bit at the bottom. Not much, just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and slide my steps up in this hole. And it should be just like that. Okay, so the glue goes right along the back edge there and on the bottom edge down here. All right, and then there's your steps. All right, it's that simple to install these steps. All right, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a question, suggestion, or comment below, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.